You might think that hiring a lawyer is like dropping your car off at the mechanic. You hand them your keys, you walk away, and you wait for them to call you when everything is fixed. But a legal case isn't a broken transmission. It's a partnership. There are still things you can do to help improve the outcome of your case. You are a star witness, the primary source of information and the foundation of the entire case. A great lawyer can do all the heavy lifting, but a client has the power to help a case run smoothly or accidentally grind to a screeching halt. Like that, I mean, literally. Hi, I'm David McDivitt, a trial lawyer. Today, we're turning the tables. Instead of talking about what the lawyer can do for you, we're going to talk about the 3 ways that you, as a client, can help improve the outcome of your case. Number 1 is arguably the most important rule in all of legal practice. Be 100% honest with your lawyer, especially about the bad stuff. I get it. Nobody wants to talk about past mistakes, old injuries, or pre-existing conditions. You might be thinking, if I don't tell my lawyer about that minor car crash I was in 10 years ago, maybe the insurance company won't find out. Let me tell you something. They will find out. Multi-billion-dollar insurance companies have access to massive interconnected databases. They have your entire index of past insurance claims, medical claims, and public records. Here's why hiding it ruins your case. As your attorney, my job isn't to judge you, it's to protect you. I save the judgment for the internet. If you tell me, hey David, I hurt my neck in college playing football, I can deal with that. A good lawyer knows how to legally frame a pre-existing condition to show that this crash may have severely aggravated it. We can handle the truth, but what we can't handle is being blindsided. If you keep it a secret and then the defense attorney drops a medical record on the table at a deposition to try to catch you in what they think is a lie, it could ruin your credibility. And in front of a jury, like in life, credibility is everything. Once a jury thinks you're hiding one thing, they may assume you're lying about everything. Help your lawyer protect you by telling them everything up front. Tip number 2, listen to your doctor. Follow your doctor's treatment plan to the letter. This sounds obvious, right? If you're hurt, you go to the doctor. But life gets busy. You start feeling a little bit better, or your schedule gets crazy and you skip a physical therapy session. Or the doctor tells you to get an MRI, but you wait 3 weeks to schedule it. To you, you're just busy. But to the insurance adjuster reviewing your file, you just gave them a massive gift. They will look at those missed appointments and delays in care and argue one of 2 things. Either you weren't hurt that badly because a truly injured person wouldn't skip therapy, or you failed to mitigate your damages, which is a fancy legal way of saying you let your medical conditions get worse because you ignored your doctor's advice. If your doctor says you need to do 10 sessions of rehab, you show up to all 10. If they say stay off your feet, don't go remodeling your kitchen on the weekends. Don't remodel your kitchen, all right? It doesn't add the value that you really think it would. Add a wine cellar in the basement. That's the value driver. By being a compliant patient, you're helping prove the medical necessity of your case. You're making it impossible for the insurance company to argue that you're exaggerating your pain. Number 3, communicate openly with your legal team, but let your lawyer do the talking to the outside world. If you've got a question, call us. If your doctor adds another diagnosis, let us know. We need to know. But the moment you hire a lawyer, you should immediately shut down communication with anybody else about your crash. If the at-fault driver calls you to apologize, do not talk to them. If the insurance adjuster calls to just check in, give them your lawyer's telephone number and hang up. Even if you just say, I'm doing well today, or you volunteer your own thought about what might have caused the crash, you're giving away leverage. Let us handle the stressful phone calls, the aggressive adjusters, and the legal maneuvering so you can focus on what matters most, your physical recovery. At the end of the day, a successful personal injury case is a team effort. By being brutally honest with your attorney, sticking to your medical care, and letting your lawyer really drive the case, you aren't just helping your attorney, you're actively investing in your future. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like to know more about how the legal system really works, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. See you in the next one.